Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. My name is Lorena. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Remember to like and subscribe. First things first, sorry for the bad lighting and probably the bad angle. So yeah, I thought today would be like a makeup look. I haven't touched my makeup in forever, I feel like, because I'm just so busy and then I'm just lazy. So yeah, I'm gonna put my hair up first. I put my makeup on. I'm gonna put it on this e.l.f. Cooling Under Eye Refresh because I have some bad dark circles, you know. So yeah, and I really like this so far. It feels really good. What I'm gonna do, ooh, should I think I'm gonna go off camera, do my normal brow routine. I'll put everything in the description below, but I'm gonna do my brows and then we can get started on the eyes. So I'll be right back. Okay, now that I have those done, I reckon I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyes. I'm gonna go in with my Huda beauty palette. I thought this had the color I was looking for, but it don't. So I'm gonna go ahead and get henna and put it in my crease right there. Also, I mixed in on accident Maneater, and yeah, so I mixed Maneater and henna together. So yeah, there's that. But I'm gonna go with my Clinique Concealer because I want to try, y'all, and do cut crease. I pretty much went like right there with it. I'm really nervous about doing this. Well, shoot, I don't even think I had to even put any. I'm gonna go with Constellation, I think. Or should I do gold? You know what? No, I'm not gonna go with Constellation. I'm not going out with this, no. I'm gonna go back in to the Huda. I'm gonna go back into the palette and then get Blessed right there, and that's where I'm gonna put it at, right there. Scratch that. It's not gonna be a halo eye look, even though I'm gonna show you the same steps just because I'm scared it won't come out the same. But yeah, I done messed up, but okay, now that I got that, bay at the high points of my brow. I guess I should have said brows. All right, next I'm gonna go in and do my foundation, which I'm gonna use the Forever 21, Makeup Forever stick. Yeah. Next, now that I'm baking, if you can't tell, I'm gonna go in with some henna, like gold, and Maneater, and put it right here, and smoke out the bottom. Go in and bronze. I'm gonna bronze, highlight, and then, you know, fix this because last night I'm gonna, yeah, and then blush. I don't know why my eyes are coming out looking orange. I don't know. Alright y'all, so this is the final look. It's not really what I was going for, but yeah, I just have to practice on that cut crease and you know, yeah, how to do it and all. But I hope y'all liked this look. I really like it. But again, this could be really cute with some false lashes, which I didn't really want to go through the hassle with those. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this makeup tutorial. And yeah, now it's time to go for a walk like this, since we're under quarantine, and get some fresh air for Milo. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Also, remember to spread love and positivity. Remember to spread love and positivity, because that is what this world needs right now. And remember just to stay inside, be safe, and hope y'all are doing all right. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye.